Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on view my related ROMs to everyone on your Yalla app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Yalla app. All you have to do, you just go up, you will click here on your profile or this picture here. Then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here. Then you click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, then you just click here on privacy, and it's going to take you to next window here, and you come here to view my related ROMs, and it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on everyone, and like you see now, view my related ROMs, it's turned on now to everyone. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you.